Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is the Samsung Q80D, in this case the 55-inch size. I decided to bring it to the channel because in many countries it's still marketed. Keeping into account this is a 2024 model, but still worth it, is much better compared to the Q8F, and I'm saying this because in many countries, including mine, the Q8F is marketed as the improvement or replacement of this Q80D, but this Q80D is much better in everything. This Q80D is an LCD TV with VA panel and full array local dimming backlighting technology. This means that the dark scenes performance is very good. I mean, it's not perfect. You won't see the results you will perceive in a mini LED TV, but still very good. I mean, I've always liked the local dimming function on Samsung smart TVs. Even if you set the local dimming function in low, which in some cases is more recommended, you won't perceive a lot of clouding effect, and the blooming effect is not so noticeable, is not so annoying. I said sometimes it's recommended to set the local dimming in low, especially if you watch this type of content with subtitles, in order to decrease a lot the blooming effect. And talking about the dimming zones, you need to understand that larger sizes of this model will have more dimming zones. The picture quality, talking about colors and brightness, it's outstanding in this TV. You can set this Color Booster Pro in case you need more saturated results, and the color saturation capacity of this TV is outstanding in case you need to set this super high, as I'm showing you right now. By the way, remember this TV has an LCD screen with vertical alignment pixel configuration. This means VA panel, and despite of that, the color accuracy is more than great. Remember, this TV has quantum dot color technology. And in terms of brightness, you must understand that the amounts of brightness will vary according to the size of this model. This means that larger sizes of this TV will have higher amounts of brightness. You also need to know that the HDR technologies such as HDR10, HLG or HDR10 Plus will be enabled only automatically when the TV detects that the content has some type of these high dynamic range technologies. And you must know that none of the current Samsung TVs will support Dolby Vision. Image upscaling on this TV is great. Just remember that none of the current 4K TVs will show you a 4K result if the resolution of the content is low. Please don't believe when the seller tells you that any 4K TV will show you results in 4K no matter the content, no matter the resolution of the content, because this is wrong. Gray uniformity on this TV is decent. The dirty screen effect is not so noticeable. And in fact, when you watch this type of content, the dirty screen effect is almost unnoticeable. The viewing angles are the worst part of this TV, but this is normal due to it has VA panel. The motion handling results of this TV are more than okay. This model has the capacity to decrease a lot automatically or manually the judder effect, and the artifacts you will perceive are not so annoying. What about the gaming area? Well, the most important thing you must know is that this TV has 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, all of them compatible with the 120Hz up to 4K, and also with variable refresh rate technologies. You need to enable the game picture mode in order to achieve all these technologies, and also if you want to make the game bar appear on the screen by pressing for some seconds the play and pause button of the One remote. This is the game bar, this is the design. You will be able to access to different functions, including these picture modes, and the auto picture mode. Throughout artificial intelligence will choose the best picture mode according to the gender of the video game you're going to play. Input lag times in theory and in practice are more than okay. The response times are also more than good. I mean, this TV has a pretty good motion handling in this gaming area, and the ghosting effect is almost imperceptible in most cases. About this smart area, this is the one remote. It can be charged via solar panel or via USB Type-C port. This TV supports the Bixby voice assistant. You can access to it by pressing the button of the One Remote or by using this Hi Bixby hands-free voice command option. The operating system is Tizen, is not Android. Remember that, it's not Android. The apps vary according to every country. You cannot install APK files, keep that into account. The smoothness of this operating system is great from my point of view. You can access fast to the apps, to the videos, and of course this also depends on the download speed of the internet connection. And with this TV you can access to different functions such as the art mode. Also you can access to the multi-view functionality, which for many users is pretty useful. In order to finish this video, you first need to know that the speaker system of this TV is great in general terms compared to other Samsung TVs and other TVs from other brands. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you an example so you can know more or less how this TV will perform in terms of audio system in real life. And if you ask me if I recommend you this TV, of course I will recommend it. It's not the best compared to other TVs from other brands, but if you like a lot this Samsung brand, this Q80D is an exceptional TV in general terms, and the only con or negative side of this TV are the viewing angles. Guys, thanks for watching. Remember, you can support my channel by making some purchases throughout the links I put on the description and in the first comment. Also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will let you with the audio performance of this TV. Until next time.